Hello guys, so how are you all doing? It's been so long since I've posted a normal video like this and not just do the normal vlogging that I do, but this is something different which I haven't been doing in since long time. So here I am. I hope you all are safe and sound. This is me, Procrastinator, welcoming you back to yet another video of this topic is little bit offbeat, but it's one of my few personal experiences that I might remember through my lifetime if I am not wrong. So and today is 26th of July where I am documenting myself of why I did go bald. So this is one of the most what do you say, this is one of the most likable experiences that I wanted to try since a very long time. It's been nearly you may say 2 to 3 years where I once thought that I should go bald whenever I have time that I may go underground or dormant as such. So that's what I thought that I should go bald when I occur in any of these states. So and I knew that somewhere in the middle I didn't have really that much amount of time to think that my hairs are going to take 2 to 3 months for getting back into the shape they were. So what I thought that if I go dormant, if I get a vacation or something like that, I will try to do it, but that day never came. But today, it's been day 4, I guess, of me going bald, and you can see a little bit of this black over here. But yeah, that's good part of it. But I literally didn't think that I might able to do it and execute it with so much courage, and I did. See, this is the thing that. For me to going bald, the guy that literally loves his hair and gives his hair the respect and care things that you do to take care of your hair, and he does all the things that he wants to do. He also is proud of his hair because I am so much happy that my hair are playing such an important part in my life, because without the hair I am nothing. So I did have a perspective of that. I still have a perspective of that, and I'm very proud of my hair because they make me who I am, and it really counts me as a significant amount in my personality as well. So going bald for the first time in I guess 17 or 18 years, because before that I was very small, and people when they are small, their parents do give them a bald haircut. So in a matter of 17 years I have never done this, and I was so much satisfied after doing it, because I didn't think that I will take this hair cutting going bald thing with so much enthusiasm or excitement. And after the haircut as well, I wasn't feeling that much what do you say, that much amount of regret, and I really did go for it, and here I am. So this was the hair going bald thing. So what did I think about it? Like, I have 3 to 4 months, if at all college reopens. I guess I can come up with a very cool hairstyle. And also the hair that I had before, they were very long. They were till here. They were till here from every part of the head, and from here they were quite short. But yeah, still they were a huge mess on my head, and at times I used to feel like why I am keeping this much amount of hair on my head, because the hair fall, the nourishment of hair, the taking care of all these what to say, small things on your head is a big of a task, because when you have a pretty much grown up hair, and when they are performing good, because I do like my hair, they are really sweet and gentle. and they are very dear to me. So the thing happened is, if you have a very long hair, and I was facing a quite much amount of hair fall, and I was just not liking, even if when I used to go for a bath, and after the bath I used to rub my hair with the towel to dry them off. There used to be 4 or 5 strands of hair every time, so that was kind of eking me, if that's the proper word. It was quite of quite to be irritated from. So what did I think that I should have a buzz cut first, but after that I just go with the flow. So I did all the, what do you say, all the fashion of going bald. Like I was going freestyle. Yeah, I was, if you have seen the video before also, where I did go bald in the vlog itself, I was going like freestyle. I was giving my hand wherever they wanted to go, and I was just trimming my hair like anything. So that was pretty much of it. And this is me in 17 years for the first time that I'm going bald. And I did accept it with so much of vigor that I'm really grateful for, and I really like my hair. I know people have some amount of thing there in their body that they really cherish for, and for me it's the hair, and I treat them as they are a living being. They are a different living being, and they behave in a certain kind of way, and I need to respect that. So they were with me for a very long period of time, and I am sure I was known for my hair to some of the people. So chopping them off was a great step for me, and I did it, and I am here now. So today's the day 4, and already I have been getting a slice of a little bit of pepper here and there, but that's cool. We'll wait for 4 weeks and see how it grows. So what my plans are after going bald, I am really looking forward to hair care when I'm bald, so that it nourishes the scalp very well. And I haven't still done that, but I am looking for homemade, what do you say, homemade helpful things that are necessary to take care of your hair, and everything's that are related to it. And also my face is like bit more clearer now, because when there were hair, my all the forehead used to cover with my hair. And I have a little bit of a very big forehead, and this was one of my most insecure things, to chop off my locks. So that was the case, and I did that. So YouTube is really helping me in a way to explore things that I haven't done before. And I hope that it teaches me more and more things to explore me in myself and the things around me. So the major factor is the insecurity that I had about my hair, that if someone sees my forehead like this, how will they react? So still now no one reacts, no one watches my videos, but still one day if I ever become a small or a big star here and there on YouTube, this video is going to be there for sure. And it's going to be bring back many memories. So I'm not thinking about the future right now, but this was me talking about my hair, which are an important part in my life. Of course many people like their hair, and I am one of them. So I hope you like this video. It's a bit long now, so I can go all night, all day for talking of my hair and different kinds of it, and all the exploration things that are restricted to hair. So this was me, procrastinator. I hope you like this different kind of video where I react on myself, on my body. And yeah, this was it. So I might now end the video. It's good to end now. So I hope you like the video. If you did, please like it, please share it, please subscribe it. I know it's a bit of a dry video. It's only about my life. There are no major entertaining things as you may find in other videos, but I'm sure that I'm the guy that is trying now for, I guess, more than 2 months, where I'm consistently vlogging and also posting content as soon as I record it. So make sure you do all the necessary things that are possible for you. You can dislike as well and share your comments, your suggestions. What do you need for me to improve in my videos? So this was me, Procrastinator, signing off. I hope you like the video. Ciao.